We're in Jordan. Don't stop your feet.
Hi! Going far in a rush. Got that getaway feeling. I'm leaving. 1, 2, 3. We're the Boyd family!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
So last time we were in Israel, there was a rebar at the mall right by our Airbnb, and we loved it. This is the first rebar we found in Eilat, so everyone's super excited. It's like a flashback.
Make this a short, Dad.
May the force be with you.
What do you think, everybody? It's good.
Wait, tell me again.
She caught to her. She swam over fish.
You need a towel or are you going back in the water?
Yeah, I'm going back.
It's little eyes.
She clutched her heart that she swam over a fish.
What are you doing in there? Is that your little hole?
That's what they
Yeah?
use when people were bad. Well, not bad.
You feeling warmer?
Yeah.
We're making the Coliseum.
This is bigger than ours.
Whoa!
Come see us.
Nice.
Come see me and Rebecca. I'm gonna dig with my toes for a while.
Whoa. Are you wearing goggles?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we spent the afternoon at the beach and decided we wanted to stay and go out for supper. We're gonna go find somewhere to eat near the beach.
תוציא לי שקיות פיתות להפוך.
You good? Is it pretty good?
I haven't tried it.
Jesse, how's your falafels?
Good.
Yeah? How's the shawarma?
It's good. I took a bite. I'm like, this is a different pita.
They're thicker and squishier.
Israel sure makes very good shawarmas. And shawarma. Yeah.
How's that falafel, Beth?
I haven't tried it. It's too hot.
Oh, it's too hot. How is it?
It should be a sin. This is amazing.
Yeah? Toby, yours is good too?
He's stealing my hummus.
Don't you touch
I think this is the most amazing creation on the face of the earth. Everyone needs to try it. If you can eat meat, everyone should try
They
it.
have actually vegan ones.
Okay, even if you don't eat meat, you should try it.
Oh, you trying falafel now?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
And then it was a bunch of hummus, so it cooled it down.
Yeah.
There you go. Can you see?
I kept him pull his eye open. Jesse!
More, yeah.
Levi's singing with you.
You singing with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is a hike right behind our Airbnb that we have been waiting patiently for Adri to get home, get a couple of days of sleep to recover from her month of hanging out with teenagers and not sleeping much. Given her, I think, 5 days now. We're heading for the hike.
We're heading up that mountain, and that will give us the highest viewpoint of the Red Sea in Eilat. So, here we go.
You want to go peeking?
It's a little moss fort.
A moss fort?
Every there's snakes in there.
I don't know if they have snakes here.
It doesn't look like anyone can fit in there. Thirsty already.
Oh no, grab your water.
Not to put on a battery.
Wait, it turns here.
I know. It's a little scary. Ouch.
Can we go in?
It's a little scary.
Are we going in?
Let's get the flashlight on. I want to check it out.
You're gonna make me go in first?
I'm gonna go in there.
Turn your light on first, please. This is my light, Dad.
Okay, well, let's get a bigger light.
Sturdy. Watch your step.
That's fun. That's
Bring the way.
I'm not going in there. I'm gonna get out. Get out. That is crazy. Let's go. I'm not going there. I'm getting out of here.
It's about the size of a shipping container. Are you videoing? Can you see anything?
I gotta go in. I gotta go in. I gotta go in. Stop.
Anyways, it's really creepy.
Yeah, why did you turn off your light?
Is my light off? I'm videoing. Ooh, this is creepy. This is super creepy.
I'm gonna have nightmares tonight.
Yeah, that was surprisingly cool.
Coming.
Just like you walk in. Dark.
What's all over your hands?
Right, and it's metal. Yeah. The metal doesn't burn either. Wow.
It would be cool if it was still
Very creepy. It's just utter.
hour challenge or something.
It's just utter darkness.
Should we go in?
Just trash.
There's another way down. It's a tunnel. Ow, wait. Let's see how much jelly. What the? It's a sea of garbage. Ah, the sea is garbage.
There's just so much garbage and
Yeah, okay, back that way, guys.
Yeah, go.
I don't know what broken glass or wires.
Hey, you can see the playground from here.
Careful, Dusty.
I got you on camera.
Oh. He's going higher.
Dude, be careful.
I want to climb up. Whoa, look at how far we climbed.
Yeah, we're high, hey?
We'll make it look like he's at the very top of a mountain. He's climbing up the top of a high mountain. What's his name? Bear Grylls. Who? Careful. And Bethany is in the bunker. What did you say?
This is easy. Oh, just
He just said it's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yes.
Party pooper.
You're the one who's filming.
Yeah, I'm being useful. Tickle, tickle, tickle! What the?
Yeah, it looks smoother from up there. I was telling the kids I thought this would be the easier way out, but it is a little rough. It looks smooth. Oh, I mean, it's not a really cool spot.
The walls
It's not
keep
like
crumbling.
hiking
Yeah.
in the Rocky Mountains where it's like lush and trees.
You want to try? Good job, Levi. Whoa, you made it. Good job. Are you a big boy? Yeah. Hey, don't throw rocks at me. Good job.
That boy needs a haircut.
That's Jesse down there. Others are coming behind. And we are way behind. That's where we were, right up there. Top of that peak. We are heading back to Canada.
What?
In a week and a day. Is it Tuesday? A week and a day.
Yeah.
We, however, left all of our winter clothing
However.
in Louisiana. So we have been doing a little bit of shopping here in Israel where it's 30 degrees Celsius to find some warmer clothes to go back with. We won't get a full wardrobe each because we'll probably do that at thrift stores when we get back, but you cannot show up to Canada at the end of November in shorts and a t-shirt. So today, Michael and Adri and I and little Levi doing a little more shopping. I've gotten, I think, enough outfits for each of the kids, so they have about 2 outfits. And now Mama needed clothes.
Paparazzi, no.
It's not gonna look good with this shirt.
What?
This
The Hanson shirt? Well, just imagine not wearing that Hanson shirt.
I really like that. Yeah. It's really nice.
Bethany made a origami boat and went to see if it floats in the sink, and now Levi is, oh, careful, having a lot of fun with it. Uh-oh. Getting a little waterlogged. Oh, and it's floating again. Boat, good boy.
That is faster. Hubcaps, chairs, milk crates. Yeah, man. Right. Surf's up. I found a milk crate. I found a milk crate. That's worth like 20 bucks.
What if it falls while you're on top of it? It doesn't look too steady.
I don't think it's gonna fall. How did it get there? So, here we go.
Oh my gosh, he's getting pulled to his dam! Somebody help him! How do we get this angle?